Hey everyone, welcome back to the Stat Couple. Today, we are talking about something that affects every single person on this planet, whether you are rich or poor, man or woman, educated or not.
We are talking about inequality and not just one type. Today, we are covering all four: wealth, gender, education, and health. And we promise you, by the end of this video, the way you see the world will never be the same again. Okay, now we want to show you something really important. There is a graph in the World Inequality Report 2026, and when we saw it, we honestly could not believe it.
This graph shows how much income has grown from different group of people since 1980. And what it shows is something that nobody is really talking about.
Look at the bottom of the graph, the poorest 50% of the people in the world. Yes, their income is very low, but it has actually grown at a decent pace since 1980. They have made some progress, small but real.
Now look at the very top of the graph, the richest 1%, the top 0.1%. Their income has shot up dramatically. The richer you are, the faster your income grew. No surprise there.
But now look at the middle, the global middle class, the people who are not the poorest, but not the richest either, the middle 40% of the world.
According to the World Inequality Report 2026, the global middle class has experienced stagnation since 1980. Some groups within that middle class grew at less than 1% per year, less than 1% for over 40 years.
So think about what this means in real life. The poor got a little better off. The rich got massively richer. And the middle class? The people who working hard every single day. The people paying their taxes. The people who thought they were doing okay. They basically went nowhere.
The World Inequality Report calls this a polarized pattern. The poor and the rich have seen their incomes rise, but the global middle class has been benefited the least over the past 4 decades.
And here is what makes this even more painful. In theory, according to the same report, if the world's income today was divided equally, every single person on this planet would receive around 1200 euros every month. Every person, rich or poor, young or old, everywhere in the world.
1200 euros per month for every person. This is what the world produces. But in reality, a tiny minority captures a huge chunk of that. And the global middle class, the people who produce so much of that wealth, are left with the least growth of anyone.
And this is not something that happened recently. According to the report, since 1820, that is over 200 years, the top 10% have always taken more than half of all global income. Always. In every decade. Through every war, every recession, every pandemic.
Since 1820, the top 10% have consistently captured more than half of all global income, while the bottom 50% have never received more than 15%, not once in 200 years. So the next time someone tells you, just work harder and you will get ahead, show them this graph because the data says for the global middle class, working harder has not moved the needle, not for 40 years.
This is not about being negative. This is about knowing the truth. And the truth, according to the World Inequality Report 2026, is that the system is not working equally for everyone.
So this was the part 1 in which we discussed about wealth inequality.
Now, we will talk about gender inequality. Not in this video, in the next one. Till then, stay informed, stay curious. See you in the next one.